afternoon.
Good afternoon from a wet, overcast Talia's birthday.
I know.
So even though it's still 30 odd degrees, there's a car coming. Even though there's 30 odd degrees, it's wet and weird today. But
Very humid.
It might be like this for a few days. Tropical climates and all that. But anyway, you'll notice I'm rocking the dry bag.
Yeah, it's not a wet bag, it's a dry bag, isn't it?
Yeah.
Never mind.
Dry bag, wet bag, who gives a shit? But anyway, it's a bag that keeps your shit dry. I've got to stop swearing.
You do.
Right, so we are heading down to
the beach
to go jet skiing and island hopping for our Tal's birthday. So we're getting a jet ski to share. Now apparently 12-year-olds can ride a jet ski. 12! So if that's legit, then we might see Tal and Ava actually
having a little go. We're even going to contemplate maybe getting some drone footage, which you might see if you keep actually watching. If and not, drone footage appears, then it's just...
Otherwise, it's just GoPro footage. Don't know why I burped when I said that. GoPro footage.
Anyway.
GoPro footage. And that's just basically what we're doing.
Yeah.
And then later on, Tal wants to go down to Red Square down here. Sky. It's like a bar thing. She wanted pizza, but pizza oven doesn't look like it's going to be on. But apparently she wants ribeye steak, you know. Oh, I'll have ribeye, Dad. What's the most expensive thing on menu?
Standard 15-year-old birthday tea.
So yeah, that's the plan.
And yeah, we'll see when we get there.
Bye.
We've just arrived here at the NBA Sports water sports place, which is where we're going to go jet ski. So we're just filling out our forms to sign our lives away, and we'll see when we're on there. Yay! You getting ready? Going on our jet skis.
Yeah, we are, baby.
You excited? Talia, excited?
Yeah. Looks like it's going to rain.
That's all right, yeah.
But you know.
Let's go. There were very brief instructions about formation. Yeah, I'm sure they'll let us know.
I'm sure it won't.
Put that around your wrist.
I'd have one.
That is something else, man. Did you enjoy your little go, Tal? Tal? Did you enjoy your little go? Did you enjoy your little go, Ed?
Tell me. Olivia's gonna get stuck.
We're just in the middle of the sea, you know, randomly. Look, because somebody on one in our group has broken down the jet ski, like right over there. You can't actually see. So you know, standard middle ocean, rocking around, burning to death. Making it wobbly. Still randomly stuck in the middle of the ocean, as you can see. There's another group that's coming towards us. That's not our group. Our group is still stuck, so someone's engine is not going. So the main guys.
One jet ski there now, not two.
Oh no, I think they're coming. If you have a look behind you, I think they're off. Yeah, they're off.
So
We're walking stairs again. Look at this jet ski here. So I'm clearly the best jet ski driver in the world. And everyone else is
Honestly,
rubbish. And you're being
I tell you
natural,
what, it's harder than it looks. It is harder than it looks, isn't it?
It is. It takes about
It's-
a few minutes to get used to it.
It's incredibly sensitive on the trigger. There's no brake, and you're just flying against choppy waves. You're flying out of your seat. But wow, what an experience!
So we've just docked at a little island. Well, we've docked at a few. We had a swim in this like big open water bit.
Which
And now
was
we're
lovely.
at this national park. It was 20 ringgit each to get in.
But this is a freshwater lake,
8 metres deep.
so we're very much looking forward to going to have a look, see if we can see out in
I'll
there.
leave these boys on. I'm out of breath. Don't know why I'm still out of breath.
But we just, this place here, we literally just parked the jet ski up. It's like in the middle of nowhere. It's like in the middle of these mountains.
Yeah.
Stunning.
And we got given a little smoothie on the way in, just a tiny little sample. That might be so we buy one.
Beautiful.
But we're absolutely banging smoothies.
So let's see where this takes us. I'm excited.
Smells
How's it looking? It's fresh water. How can it be fresh water here? Ugh. So we have got to the border. It's called the Miracle Border. Right here, the border between the sea. Look at that. And at this side, you have that. The fresh water. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning, that. Gosh. Hang on. See? See? Fresh water. Crazy.
we've actually arrived at Diamond Beach, I think it is. And it's absolutely stunning. It's so beautiful. That's my dad there, snorkeling, just seeing if you can see out. And these guys are just chilling out on the rock over here because for whatever reason, we paid for a 2-hour tour on these jet skis and we've already been 3 hours. So I'm not quite sure what's happened, although I'm not complaining because going on jet skis is my new favourite hobby. It is awesome. 60 mile an hour bezzing across waves, no more fun. New hobby, innit, Lou?
I think I'm well to jet ski and I want to buy one. Go to Canal in Silverton.
Although Lou did get a chicken skin bag stuck in his engine when we went to feed the eagle, so we're just in the little ocean and all eagle just came down. Absolutely immense experience. It's been phenomenal today, so I think we're finishing off here and then we'll be going back. I think that'll be it because we all ate breakfast and then came out here, so we're all starving, although I'm looking forward to tea. But yeah, it's been absolutely epic so far. I'm assuming my dad might have seen something since he's still out there. Where is it? Yep, just there. See snorkel pipe. Is he out? Too rocky. Can't see out. The machines are right there. Yep. Had a great time. It's been ace. Beautiful beach. Talia's exploring over there.
Langkawi. Oh yeah, he's wearing the merch.
That is a quality t-shirt.
It's like
That
kind of
is
got that
Malaysia
foamy rubbery
quality.
stuff.
Well,
Didn't wash it, it'll be tiny.
and how much was it? About
£4. £4.
Well,
Right,
anyway.
we're going to walk and talk. We're going down for Cal's birthday meal now because we're all knacked after that jet skis. Hopefully you saw all that awesome footage, drone footage. You
Don't
could
think
see
they'll be able to see us if we keep
how
walking.
beauty our actual jet skiing.
Absolutely ace day.
What? We're going to dark with them.
Ooh.
And then we're going to creep out into dark now, so it's going to go a little bit shit quality, but that's okay.
You laid all shit that we hear at night. Stuff.
That's something. That's boom, boom.
Wow. Wow.
So yeah, so we're going to go for some food. We'll brighten it back up when we get there in a minute. It's only around the corner. But yeah, it's our Tal's 15th.
And she said, I'm all right going to Red Sky, Mum. I'll just have a steak.
I'll only have a steak tonight.
I don't remember having steak when
It's
I was
fine.
15.
Just a bit of ribeye, if that's all right, Dad, for my birthday tea.
Wow, you really can't see us at all now.
No, but it's kind of cool, isn't it? Bit Blair Witchy. Josh! Josh!
We didn't. He don't know.
Yeah, I don't.
Plain go fish.
Get fish for it because she didn't have it.
Tosh cheating like mad. 10's tough, don't you?
No.
Do it.
No, can't.
Do it.
100% can't.
Do it.
Got only 10.
No, because she gave it to freaking...
Can't do.
She did do.
Yeah, but I got 3 of them.
Go fish.
How could she have asked for one?
Fish.
She didn't ask you. It's total blue, that dude. Now she's going to ask you for 10s now.
Stop that. Go fish.
Go fish.